Ever struggled with designing die-cast parts? Materials, wall thickness, tolerances, it can feel like a jungle. Today, we'll break it down in simple terms, the top 3 rules of die-casting design that will help you create parts that are easy to manufacture, cost-effective, and high quality. First, a part may look perfect on paper, but that doesn't mean it's easy to make. The real key is design for manufacturability (DFM). Think about how the part will be produced from the very start. Why? Extra machining or adjustments can easily make up 80% of the total cost. Start smart, and you save time, money, and headaches later. Second, focus on weight reduction while keeping wall thickness consistent. Less material equals lower cost, faster cycle times, and higher production efficiency, but don't compromise strength. Choose the right alloy. Aluminum, for example, offers good corrosion resistance and dimensional stability, and the golden rule, keep wall thickness as uniform as possible. Large variations can cause porosity, weak points, and inconsistent quality. Third, always consider draft angles and tolerances. Draft angles are slight tapers that allow the part to release easily from the mold. For aluminum, a typical recommendation is around 1-2 degrees. Tolerances aren't about being ultra-tight. Overly strict tolerances increase cost and risk failed parts. Set reasonable tolerances based on the material to reduce unnecessary machining. Follow this rule, and your design is functional, manufacturable, and efficient. So, the 3 rules in short: design with manufacturability in mind. Reduce weight while keeping wall thickness consistent. Apply proper draft angles and tolerances. Master these, and your die-cast designs are already ahead of 80% of the competition. Want to take your die-cast design to the next level? Leave a comment with your project challenges. And if you're looking for professional die-casting solutions, Sunrise Metal can help you create high-quality, cost-effective parts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. See you next time!